Hi guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy paper tricolor badge. So let's get started. This is the badge number 1. To make it, take squares of 8 centimeter in orange, white and green color and take a strip of paper which is 8 centimeter by 24 centimeters and glue these squares on the strip. Then keep on folding the paper in half like this. And open. Then fold it in half like this. And make folds in a fan manner. And on the center crease, we need to staple it. And we need to glue both the sides like this in a circle. Then take 2 white strips and 2 saffron or orange and 2 green strips, and the orange and green strips are 0.5 centimeter, and glue these orange and green strips on both the white strips. Then we need to put one on top of the other and cut it in a triangular manner at the bottom. Then flip the badge over and just glue a circle. And glue these strips like this. Then make a 24 spook wheel in blue color and just glue it in the center of the badge. Now attach a safety pin on the back of the badge with the masking tape. Badge is ready. Let's make the second badge now. Take a circle that is cut out of hard paper or cardstock and trace it on white paper twice. Now cut the circles and glue one on each side. Mark 3 equal parts. Then when you found 1/3 of the circle, then you need to cut orange and green strips of that 1/3 measurement and glue them on the bottom and top and cut off the extra. And glue them like this. Then I'm making a Ashok chakra of 24 spooks. Gluing this Ashok chakra in the center of the circle. And just as we have done for the previous badge, I am cutting the white strips and gluing orange and green strips on them. Gluing these strips on the back of the badge, and I'm taking a safety pin and attaching it with masking tape. Now the badge is ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.